Very good evening, everyone. Welcome to this big Monday. The dream of every Synergy associate, Synergy staff, which we are fulfilling on this 26th April 2021. This has been going on for, let's say, about last 3-4 years, when we want to get started with a program which would be most beneficial for the real estate investors. I'll just remove the mask for the convenience of everybody to hear me properly. There is nobody in the room. We are following the COVID rules, in fact. My name is Acharya Faniraj. I am the founder of this company called Synergy Solutions Group. And this company is being established in 2012 for the benefit of all the real estate investors plus other investors. You're going to witness all these things in the due course of time during this ceremony. But primarily, why we are doing this particular program, most of you would have known about it for the benefit of all the investors or the investors to be, the associates, the staff, everybody. This particular day is for the loyalty payouts. You would have heard about 100% cashback in many other small petty things like mobiles. Actually, I haven't seen anything like that. I haven't heard from any of my friends also. A lot of advertisements I have seen. There can be 100% cashback, there can be this, there can be a discount, there can be that. But in real estate, 100% investment cashback, it's not a joke. 100% investment cashback is a process or is a thought which has been done very early, where I wanted to launch my business, and where I thought, instead of making others the partners, I'll make my own customers. My customers who will be supporting us. For every real estate or any other organization you're looking at, any other business, the customer is the most important person. If a customer buys our product, we make some money out of it. And that money, when it is being employed into businesses or the expansion program, if you have a vision, then it grows big. We had a vision right from the word go. The vision was to establish ourselves in about 100 cities. The 100 cities in India, where it was initially insurance only. But later, we have started off with real estate, the most lovable investment opportunity or investment option for all the Indians, in fact. So we wanted to start with that. You're going to watch a video which will be shown live in some time. But before that, I wanted to primarily thank all those people who have made this day possible, relentlessly working throughout the Corona period. March 22nd, when the lockdown has started, remember, we thought it might be it might be for 3-4 days, and it might be 1 week, or it might be 10 days, it might be 2 weeks, but never we thought that this is going to be the longest innings what Corona is going to play with all of us. So at that point in time, immediately after 3-4 days, we thought, no, each and every person who is dependent on us for income, you call it the agent, you call it the employees, or you call it anybody who is dependent on earning money through us. So I decided, March 25th, I decided no, they are not going to sit at home and feel bad about it. So we started something called lockdown programs. During the lockdown program itself, we have done so much of real estate business. And we have initially offered saying that our virtual property videos, which you will understand very shortly, have helped us a lot. You can sit at home and actually watch the property videos. That is when a customer could understand how great Synergy's idea of virtual property videos were. But before I can go ahead with the entire presentation, I would like to introduce one by one the team which made this possible. The team which made this possible, the first in the list, working relentlessly, as I said, throughout the Corona period, before that, and also now. Even today, if this event is possible, it is because of one person. He is a very young boy, actually, when I have seen his talent, and I wanted to take him into my core team. He joined me, and he has done real wonders. The commitment what he has shown toward the organization is very big. So one by one, what I'll do is I'll share the website now, and in the website, on the website, you're going to see the pictures of whom I will be introducing here. This is our website, what you're seeing now, and on the website, it's a beautifully designed website, and the person who has designed this is to the extreme right what you are seeing, Nagendra Babu, who is the head of IT and training. I invite Nagendra to come here once, say hi to all of you on this YouTube live event. And our second, the most relentless working, hard working throughout the event, in fact, I invite Seshu Kumar Kanduri to say hi to all of you. It's a great privilege to introduce these two boys uh, who have worked really hard to bring the organization to the stage and during the corona period as well. I take this opportunity to invite our project head for loyalty programs. As I told you, are going to understand these terms what we are using very shortly during the video what I am going to present it to you. It's going to be a very short event. It's not going to be a 2 to 3 hours, etc. But yeah, uh, it gives me immense sense of pride to introduce Jaya Uttam, who is our head loyalty programs. Yeah, and the latest joining, Mr. Francis. Mr. Francis has been a great find. He joined us very shortly over. He is going to head our sales. He is going to help us establish our 20 city operations very shortly. By this year end, we plan to have our 20 city branches. So, Mr. Francis, Jayautam, Seshu, Nagendra, these are the core team of Synergy at this point in time. There are some of them who have worked with us earlier and they have done a great job. Uh, I would like to take the name one or two names over here, where Mr. Raju was previously our consultant sales head. In fact, he has done a great job during the Corona period in the month of August, September, October, and he has done such a commendable job. He has taken care of the sales, the team building, all these things. So these are the team, and we have our some referral partners have helped us, like Mr. Srinivas is there or Mr. Venkatesh, and we had one Mr. Sudesh earlier with us. All these people have laid the foundation for Synergy, and Synergy is here today, all set to launch ourselves. Launch ourselves in Hyderabad. We have our offices in Hyderabad and Vizag, and we are going to launch our offices in 19 more cities by this year end. And it's such a unique program. All the customers who have watched our virtual property videos or experienced our understood our 360-degree loyalty programs have loved it, and everybody have said that this is the most unique program and is the most beneficial program what any company can start for a real estate investor. Not only real estate, we are going to be in other things also. Let me start the video first. What I'll do is, for the benefit of everybody, I'll play the video. I'll start the video. You go through the complete video, and after that, I will take you frame by frame why we have started this particular program and how it is going to help the customers. Now, this is the first picture what I'm going to show here. This is the picture of my first investors when this was on June 13th, 2013. Now, this was the Bikers Club whom we have invited to one of our ventures near the Pharma City at Rachaduru on the Srisailam Hyderabad highway. This, the one you can see in the black t-shirt, is my very good friend, a childhood colleague mate, I can say. The black with the red collar, he is my second investor. So Amit and Avinash, I take this opportunity to thank again and again and again and again whenever I get an opportunity. How much ever I say, it is very small. And these are the people who have laid the first foundation for Synergy's growth. This is when I told them I'm going to start my branches in 100 cities. And these 100 cities, we told these 100 cities wherever we are launching, we are going to launch the insurance, the real estate, etc. So this was the first time when we went to the site. This is the site what they have purchased. You know what? They have purchased the site at 3,000 rupees a square yard, and today it's almost 15,000 rupees between 2013 and 2021. So it's almost about 400 to 500% of appreciation. So that is the magic of real estate. But yes, you got to invest at the right location and at the right property. That is where Synergy is going to help all the customers. And we have laid out a beautiful big program. If this was the starting of Synergy, I'm going to show you some pictures here where we have launched this on 9th of December 2018. Now these are the pictures what you're seeing where we have launched our programs first time 360-degree lifelong loyalty contract. And these are our two dignitaries who joined us. One to the left, what you are seeing is Sri Avinash Garu, who is the founder of Avinash College of Commerce. And to the right, you are seeing is a very renowned pediatrician, Dr. Pavan Garu. They have launched our business divisions at that point in time. And this is Avinash sir. I was introducing him at that point in time, and he has launched the program. This is Pavan Garu, Dr. Pavan Garu, and Dr. Avinash Garu fell stating Dr. Pavan Garu, and me with Dr. Pavan. And these are our customers, in fact, who have taken plots from me at Mucharla. The same story again. They have taken at 3,000 in about 2014-15, and today the value of the property is almost increased 400 to 500%. So this was the vision what I had initially when we started this also. So there are a lot of good things what you are going to see here, but I thought I'll tell you about the journey what we are doing here, what we have done so far. Now let me take you through the very small video what we have done and how it is going to help all the investors at this point in time. So this is the video what we are going to play. Just go through the video, do not try to read anything, enjoy the video. No, अभी नहीं, but it's okay. Enjoy the video completely. Read as much as you can. We are going to play frame by frame again. Okay, what I'll do is I'll stop this here. This video proceeds for the loyalty offers what we are going to give from today onwards. So far, let me take you through. I'm taking you through what Synergy is primarily and why Synergy Solutions Group is called a loyalty organization. If you're seeing in this frame here, Synergy Realty Solutions is a real estate investment service division of Synergy Solutions Group. Overall, in our group, we have about 7 divisions, and each of these divisions we want to offer the loyalty services. And this jskcreatives.com, there is again a story behind it. Why the name of the organization is different, and name of the website is jskcreatives.com. This is the real estate website of our real estate division, which is www.jskcreatives.com. What we are offering on this website is best properties across the cities. Now, let's say if you're in Hyderabad, if you're anywhere in the world, and if you want to buy in your hometown, you can, all you have to do is log on to our website and watch the virtual property videos, and you will have a very, very informed idea, a clear idea of whether to invest at that particular location in that particular property or not. So, this we call it as a doorstep service. Doorstep service, most of the times, what we are seeing is Swiggy is delivering to doorstep. Maybe Ola nowadays, you have an app where you can call Ola, etc. And you have other things like Lucius or other Myntra fashion things, etc. Amazon. But real estate delivery to the doorstep, yes, we will be doing this service, and how we'll be doing it, each one of you can understand through the course of this videos and the presentation what we are seeing. The investors can make property investments by watching virtual property videos on our website. If you have to make an informed decision, if you have to buy the best property with the most secured option, all you have to do is be a member of Synergy Solutions Group, be a member of www.jskcreatives.com. This is the entire group of companies what we will be establishing across 100 cities in India. Right now, we are in Hyderabad and Vizag, and it is the India's fastest growing loyalty organization. There is, as far as I know, there is not any loyalty term which is being used in most of the things what we are doing here, except for some loyalty programs for credit card points and all these things. So here we have 6 divisions. One is SRS, SLLS, SWS. You're seeing the acronyms over here, which is on the top left. You can see Synergy Realty Solutions, which is a real estate investment services, most unique concept created by any organization for the benefit of the investors. Then we have an insurance that is to the top right, what you're seeing, Synergy Lifeline Solutions, which includes the life insurance, motor insurance, health insurance services. So second thing, third one is you're seeing the second, that is the middle onto the left side, which is Synergy Wellness Solutions. It is family health and wellness solutions. This particular thing is going to ensure that most of the families who will be Synergy members, they are going to have great health, and along with that the wellness also. The Synergy Holiday Solutions, we plan to create new system in holidays. Holidays is not just going driving there and come back. According to us, when somebody, a family goes for a holiday, you got to have a stress-free holiday. Dump your stress at that place and come back. So we are creating once again a unique concept. Unique holidays is what we are going to provide. I assure you, all our Synergy members are going to enjoy each and every minute of the holiday what they are going to spend. Then we have matrimonial solutions. This is again very unique. Then we have recruitment and training solutions, what we have. Not harping more on this because it's a big day for the customers who are receiving the checks. Down the line, maybe once you're interested, we can talk more about it. We'll go through the next stretch of the present. This is what we mean by loyalty. Loyalty is a lifelong commitment. In insurance or in real estate or any other thing, the service to the customers is only 5% or 10%. It is not a 360-degree service. What I see is once I sell my product and after that I'm off. I say after sales service, there are some other companies who will do it. And especially if you are counting on real estate, there is no after sales service. You invest, you get your plot registered, and after that there is no service. Most of the companies do not do it. but we Synergy, we plan to give you a lifelong commitment. And this is what has inspired me. Loyal customers, they don't just come back, they don't simply recommend you. They insist that their friend do business with you. And trust me, all of you are watching here across Middle East, Dubai, Kuwait, you're talking about Jeddah, Australia, New Zealand, and US, UK, all these places. In fact, today morning when I have sent it, they confirmed that even though it might be late in the night or little early in the morning, they'll try to catch up with us. All the customers of Synergy across the globe, I take this opportunity to say good morning to you. And all the customers who have taken from us, they have referred us to their friends, our services. Especially, there was a big referral program which happened in the month of 2015 and 16, 2 years. So that referral program, we have done some record sales. And why we have done this record sales is what you're going to see. Now, this is what we are offering to our investors who choose to invest through us. We are talking about virtual property videos, convenience. Watch the virtual property videos wherever in the world you are, at your home, at your office, anywhere. All you have to do is be a member of Synergy, log in, watch the virtual property videos. And apart from that, we are going to give you a lifelong property security on a bond paper, a 100 rupee bond paper. And this includes four uh, four quadrants of it we have divided into, because we call it as a 360-degree loyalty contract. And 360-degree loyalty contract is where we commit, we give a commitment of all the four quadrants what you are seeing here. So let us try to understand what this is, each one of them. Now here you are seeing the first quadrant. What you are seeing is selection of a property. For any real estate investor, selecting a good property at a good location and given by a good developer is most important. And that is where Synergy will come into picture. And Synergy will shortlist. What you're seeing on your screen is now the 360-degree loyalty contract. We call it as a lifelong property security too. And whenever a customer wants to buy a property, primarily what he looks at is, A, I want to invest at a good location where it gives me a great returns. And B, once I go to that location, how do I find which property is good? There are maybe, let's say we take a X location, and in that X location, there might be hundreds of properties developed by so many developers. And out of these 100 properties, what is the most suitable property where I can invest so that I can maximize returns is what many of our customers ask about. And here, each of our customers, the loyalty commitment number one, what we are giving is the selection of the property. So at Synergy, we commit a good location, A, the good property, B, and a good developer. And we are going to call this as a doorstep service, first time in the history of real estate in India. How it happens, I'm going to take you through my website immediately after this, how the customer members can log in, select the location they want to invest in, select the property in this particular location, and we are going to give ratings or might be give information of the developer which is good also. Let's say there are people who know about some locations. They say, sir, I want to invest at Shamshabad. I want to invest at Sangareddy. These are the people who know the location names at least. There are a lot of customers whom I met. These customers don't know about the location name also. They're going to blindly trust the person who is going to handhold them, take them to the site, maybe, and show them the property. And this is how a customer is going to select a property, which has been happening all these days. But here it doesn't happen like this anymore. We're going to launch this particular website with this particular program by July, August 2021. And all you have to do is be a member of jskcreatives.com, and you're going to watch videos what you have never seen before. Each of these videos are going to tell you which location, what property, how is the developer, what is the budget, and it doesn't stop here. The loyalty commitment number two, what you're seeing is the investment. Now, what we call it as an investment is we commit to lifelong clear title guarantee. See, most of the customers, when they go to the ventures, they see the properties, and then later comes the second step. They say, is it safe to invest? Okay, that is a $1 million question, right? So what you got to do? Then you got to take the papers from the developers. You've got to show it to your advocate, and the advocate gives you a green signal. Then you start going and investing. As far as I know, only 1 or 2% of the investors do this as well. Not entire investors go for verification. There are legal opinions which are being shown by most of the companies now. But way back when we have started, I used to do this in 1994 onwards. So what we are going to do here is we are going to do the check of all the documents upfront. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a good location first. In that good location, all the good properties and all the good properties where the title of the property is clear. Now, when the title of the property is clear, we are not going to just take a single verification of it. Like when you go to an hospital, you'll say, why don't you go for a second opinion? Let's say in case something, you got to get it verified. Here we are going to go do a triple verification over here. Triple verification is I'm going to give the documents to, we have a set of legal people with us, the advocates, etc. And we are going to give this three people. If all of them are giving the same opinion, then we are going to go ahead with the contract. So what happens, I'm filtering thrice over here. And I'm going to give you a commitment on this legal opinion, what we are talking about. Now, the legal opinion is not just a legal opinion. I say I have verified after that. That is not my duty. I'm going to just wash my hands maybe. No. We are going to give Synergy at Synergy Solutions Group. We are going to give you a lifelong property security. We are going to verify thoroughly. Nothing is going to go wrong. But in case, let's say the 1% thing where we are or 0.0001% of it, if it goes wrong also, my legal team will be there to take care of all the legal hassles what you're going to face. And we are going to make you comfortable throughout your invested period with Synergy. What you're seeing again on to the left side of your screen is a loyalty commitment number 3. We are going to have vigilance officers. We are going to have vigilance officers. We are going to have a very professional approach, very thorough approach of getting your property verified or maybe checked again and again and again and again throughout the investable period. So what we have decided is every venture, wherever we have taken, if it is, let's say, on a particular Srishalam Highway, Varangal Highway, or let's say we are talking about Bogapuram Highway, etc., we are going to have our vigilance officers placed in each of these offices. Every 2-3 days or every 1 week, they are going to go on a cycle. So let's say today 10 properties, a list of 10 properties is being given to the vigilance officer. He goes to that particular location, and it's a very good idea. We have designed a gear like what you would have seen in IPL and other matches. We are going to give them a helmet, and along with that the GoPro cam. All they have to do is on their bike, fill the tank, go to that particular location, take the pictures. Let's say your site it is, and when they take the pictures and video of the property what you have invested in, that is uploaded. Once they come back evening to the office, it's uploaded to the cloud and cloud onto the personal profile sheet of the investors. So all the investors, we are going to have a separate profile sheets. And this particular profile sheets, it will have your name, your picture, where you have invested in, what is the investment, what is the current value of the investment, and the videos what we are going to upload again and again, maybe on a regular basis, on frequent intervals. So let's say you are sitting in Australia, US, UK, or Middle East, wherever, or in Hyderabad also. When you open your profile sheet, let's say, or you get a notification today. You get a notification saying that the video is uploaded. Then you get onto your profile sheet on www.jskcreatives.com on our website. Open your profile page, and then after that, you're going to see the video which is being uploaded by our vigilance officers. So this is going to give you a lot of secure feeling sitting at home. Imagine during this particular situation where, as I told you, my team has been working relentlessly throughout the Corona period. They got positive after that. They've during positive time also they work from home. We have never stopped working, and this is the initial team. I once again take this chance to thank them. And the fourth and the most important thing is loyalty commitment number 4. Now, this is the most important thing for any realty investor. Any realty investor, why he invests is because I have some money, I want to invest at a place, I want to get some good appreciation, is what everybody thinks about. So when your appreciation is good, you're happy about it, everybody is happy. But if there is a system like our 360-degree loyalty contract, which is going to support the investors in their investments, and this loyalty commitment number 4, according to me, covers 359 degrees. Rest all according to maybe 1 degree. But when I sell a particular property and I give money to the customers, it is very such a happy moment which I experienced way back a lot of times. In 2008, when I was not in real estate, also we have helped some of our customers to do the resale, and once they get the money, that to a correct value for their property, I've seen tears in their eyes. Trust me, friends, this is done with a lot of passion, a lot of integrity over here. And during this particular period, Corona period, there are few of the customers where they wanted to sell off their property also. And we are, trust me, again and again, I'm saying we are working relentlessly. And the resale service also is created because when the website starts, we are going to sell your property in minutes maybe. There's 1.5 year what is lost during the Corona period. Still, we are doing so many resales. Recently, a Dubai customer was invested with us about 15 months back. We have sold his property and we have given him a 150%. This particular gentleman has reinvested with us in one of our ventures with a villa offer. He's so happy. Tomorrow is his registration, and after that, in 2 years' time, we are going to construct a free villa and give it also. So this is all about lifelong property security, 360-degree loyalty contract, and we are going to do this with absolute integrity. And we have our network of branches which are coming up. Trust me, I'm telling you, real estate sales is going to resales is going to happen in minutes also. You upload your the request, and there are customers ready to buy your property also. This is how we have planned with Synergy Solutions. I'll take you to the rest of the video now. Now, this is what you are seeing. See, this is our expansion program. Now, why this expansion plan? Why does this company require so many branches? These are our service branches. You know how our real estate sales is going to start? None of the customers are going to go to the site before they watch the videos. So you're going to watch the videos first and then watch the videos across the city. We are talking about across the city is, let's say, all the highways, whatever you are taking, Srishalam Highway, Vijayawada Highway, Bombay Highway, or let's say as we talked about Bhogapuram and Vizag, we create virtual property videos. You need not go out of your home to see the property videos. After we are going to launch at this point in time, also we have few videos which we have already done, and we are going to have pin code mapping. Pin code mapping for the first time again in the history of real estate, where wherever you are, let's say any of these locations what you are picking up, let's say you are in Kachigori. Previously, I used to stay in Sainikpuri and I used to go and make calls in Kachigori on a regular basis, almost on a daily basis. And it was such a hell. Start at 8:30 in the morning in the traffic, travel that 35 kilometers, go to presentations, corporate or retail presentations, what you call, then come back at the end of the day, almost, let's say 11, 12 in the night. And this is how I used to work from 2012, 13, 14 also. But then I realized no, customers' time is important, and most valued is the agent who is working for us, bread and butter. If we can reduce the turnaround time, what he would get in 3 months' time, he would get in 3 days maybe. So we have created something called network of branches. Now, wherever you are in the city, if you are a member of Synergy Solutions Group, your data will be already on our website, and you watch a virtual property video and you click. After the video, you will be sent to the property page. When you are going to the property page, underneath there will be a bar which says I would like to invest in this particular property. So then comes the system will map you onto the nearest branch over there, wherein according to me, 15 minutes time will be the turnaround time when a Synergy associate or a Synergy employee is going to be there at your place or office wherever you are requested. So A, we are talking about virtual property videos, and B, we are talking about the convenience of the turnaround time what we have, the lowest turnaround time in the history of real estate again over here. All you're seeing is the first times in real estate. So here, these are the network of branches. In each branch, a branch manager, 12 loyalty managers, about 50 to 100 associates. We are going to do all these things through apps, and we are going to do through maybe CRM software, etc., or maybe the pin code software, what we are talking about. We have tied up with a Singapore based company for this, and these are the branches which are going to service you. And there's a lot to talk, but what I'll do is I'll cut it short and take you, because you understood what Synergy is at least. We are going to provide the most secure real estate investments. After this, we are going to upload the entire videos, what we are showing, along with the explanation also, onto our loyalty page and onto our website also. Each of you who are witnessing this wonderful, let's say, the process, what God has uh, given to me and what I'm giving it to you once again. And this particular thing, yes, it is going to help a lot of investors and a lot of agents also, a lot of associates who are on dependent on this for bread and butter. So, what is our expansion program number two? So, this good word or the good process, whatever we have created, we just don't want to stop here. We want to take it to the rest of India also. So we plan to commence, actually we plan to launch 20 cities by 2020. So the rhyming was 20 cities 2020. But what happened was the 20 cities 2020 went for a toss. The little corona thing has taken away a little bit of our time, no problem. At least we have realized what is important in our lives. So the many of them at this point in time, they are tested positive, they are undergoing a lot of problems. So we, the team Synergy, we pray for all your well-being, your family members' well-being, and heartfully we are there. We will be there with all of you, and we will be supporting everybody throughout our journey, our loyalty journey, what we are talking about. So let this, maybe this 1.5 month of thing which will pass. That is what is the timeline what we have thought about. So we are going to uh, launch ourselves our expansion program into about 20 smart cities in India. This is being thought because my first investment, my first customer, when he has taken a plot in 1994, when I was working for an organization called Jana Chaitanya Housing, I sold at 90 rupees per square yard. And today the same plot is sold at 15,000 rupees per square yard. It is almost about 160 times of return. Mind boggling, right? Yeah, 160 times. Why did it go 160 times? Because Hyderabad was at that time the developing city. The development is not completed. Today you invest in Hyderabad, maybe you can look at 10, 15 times of return. Or maybe if you are really lucky, you go to maybe the most developing locations, you may get about 20 times return also when you are investing in land. Other investments are basically our comfort. The flat what we take, the villa what we take, we spend more on the interiors, etc. That is where we live. We are making our where we are living the best place to live at. But the main investments are in land, trust me. What I have seen in we have my customers have invested in Devanhalli also. Devanhalli is a place in Bangalore where the international airport is there. We have sold a 30-40 site, which is 1200 square feet site for 48,000 rupees only. And now it is almost 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs near the international airport. So these also increased about 100, 120 times. So when Tendulkar, or let's say the recent the IPL boy Padakkal, if I'm not wrong, he hit a century. All of us rejoiced it. An Indian hit a century, the first century of the IPL 2021. How many of you really are seeing that you hit a century in your real estate investments? So the place where you invest, the cities where you invest will count a lot. Now let's say any of the cities what you are seeing here, we have selected this because these are under the Modi ji's plan of smart cities in India. These are the 20 cities where the central government is going to focus on for next 4 to 5 years. So in a developing city, when you're going to invest, you're going to see your investment also going pretty high. You're going to get, don't look at a century maybe. but at least let us try to hit a half century or 30s of IPL. So 30s of IPL is also a good thing according to me. We are going to bring you more and more. Immediately after this 20 smart cities, we plan to venture into 80 more cities. And these 20 cities are going to be Synergy's own offices. The remaining 80 cities are going to be franchises. And we are going to open the franchises also very soon for all the other cities. You can, in case some of you are business people over there and you like our concept, you can apply for franchises also. These 20 cities, we are going to have our own offices. There is no franchisee or any other model where you can go through this. So this is about the expansion program, and I always take the opportunity to thank all our investors who have invested through us, and because of them, we have earned the money, we have got into profits, we have seen some bulk of money where we have started this branch. My first office was my house. My house is a 960 square feet, two-bedroom flat. So my first office was a plank. That plank was my room. So every time I get into the house, I used to open the plank. I used to put my laptop and work on this. And I have taken my first office in Begumpet, which is opposite to Green Park. Then we have taken this big office. There's a penthouse office in White House building. Uh, I am mentioning all these things. Don't mind. I'm wasting your time by telling you stories. I want you to understand a common man's story. A common man just like you, who had dreams, who had the passion to achieve it. And here we are at this point in time, giving a big check of 36 lakh rupees to one of our investors who has invested just last year. And this we do it through our profits. I have a vision of taking my place. Initially, when it was only myself, I used to think about a branch in Hyderabad, and later I made a branch for at least Andhra Pradesh. That is combined Andhra Pradesh where I was working on. Then I thought about Modi ji's launch. When I said, let me go to these 20 cities, and we have a very superb process, a system. So all these things is going to help a lot of you to buy properties hassle free, secured properties in your hometowns completely. So these are few pictures what you're going to see of all the customers who have taken through us, and few of them who have got back their loyalty. Since 2019, we have been 2019 we have been 18 we have been giving the loyalty payouts. The first loyalty check, what you have seen sometime back, is taken by one of the UAG employees, United Health Group, and we have given a very small check of 62,500 only maybe. But this was given in 2 months' time. This was an accelerated loyalty payout. This was done when the investors asked for a discount. I said, I can't give discount, sir, because the money what I am going to earn is going to be used for the as a capital to expand my business. If I give you discount, what am I going to earn and how am I going to achieve this particular program, which is so good for the customers and also for the agents for entire real estate world what we are talking about. So these people accepted, and immediately from my sales, from my profit, I have each of them, two of them what you're seeing, the second one, each of them we have given them around 62,500. Next check what we have given is to one of our customers. Again, as I told, they asked for a discount. I said no discount, please. In 6 months' time, we have given them a check of 2 lakh rupees. Karthik and Mr. Manohar, who have taken this check on 1st of July 2020, again during the Corona period, we started moving up. We started very fast onto our expansion program, and initially the demonetization has hit us, but we never went back. About 6 8 months, I know none of us earned money at all. None of us were able to see that money what we were thinking about, but we never lost hope. We went ahead, and around June 2017 only, we started coming back into some real life. Some real life wherein we meant real life is where we started doing the sales according to what our plans were. Some smiles came back to our faces. So this was around that time where these people have invested. And in December 2019, 1st July 2020, they have received this particular check. So you're seeing Karthik, and now what you're seeing on your frame is Mr. Harish here with me right now. Today, Harish is going to receive his 100% of his 100% cashback On 5th of July, that was my 50th birthday, we have paid 11 lakh 11,111 rupees. Yeah, I'm a little bit crazy about figures. So I use this figure because I thought that will give a little more motivation as well. So this good friend of mine, I can say at this point in time, he invested around same time. The property appreciated by about 80% over here. In 24 months already the appreciation is 80%, and Mr. Harish received 11 lakh 11,000, and today again he is going to receive another 5.9 lakhs. Very shortly in front of all of you, you're going to witness this particular, the most the biggest program, or where the customers are benefited through our profit sharing mechanism also. And these are one of my again good friends, I can say, well wishers, and he is my God sent person according to me, Mr. Loknath Maru, a very pious person, and he's the president of Maheshwari community of Hyderabad. He has taken a flat from me in Lodha Casa Paradiso in Sanat Nagar, and we have declared a 21 lakh loyalty payout, which was way back in 2014-15. But whenever we wanted to raise, had created us problems. Like in 2016, we are talking about demonetization. Then now this. So recently, on our 8th anniversary, Loknathji, I'm very thankful for your patience and waiting for all these days. I know you are watching this program, and I had the privilege of giving him a 5 lakh check over here. And I will be waiting for the day, sir, very shortly. I know it may be as early as this year end, where we'll be completing your remaining loyalty payout also. So this is about. So on this 26th of April 2021, we have it gives really all of us who have been working throughout to give the best to the customers. And again, I'm saying this big event, it's a dream for everybody in my organization. It's a dream to be right from 2013-14 when we have started this, and early the Telangana and Andhra separation has stopped us for a time. That was the longest time the stopping which happened. Then demonetization, then now this corona. But yeah, the wait is not long. The customers who have taken in, let's say, 1 year time. Last year, Mr. In little before Corona, if you're seeing, this is Mr. Uday on your screen, Uday's picture rather, and he has taken in a venture called English County, one of the most beautiful ventures and very well developed ventures. All the customers who have invested here are very happy. And this customer has invested 36 lakh rupees at that point in time. I interacted with this customer directly also during the time of his investment, and he was lucky to get into a 12-month loyalty payout program. And in 12 months, his appreciation plot appreciated from 36 lakhs to 46 lakhs today, where he has purchased at 15,000 rupees a square yard. Now it is 20,000 rupees a square yard because Kothur has become a municipality. So selecting a good location, a good property, a good developer makes so much of difference in real estate investors' lives. So here, again, I told you the most luckiest youngster, I'll call him, because he's just hardly 29 years old, I'm told, and he's receiving the big check of 36 lakh rupees. During my hard times, I always used to believe in luck. I always used to think somebody should come and give me at least 1 lakh here, is what I used to think. But it is only hard work which has taken me all the way here, and never there has been an element of luck what I have been asking for. And later I realized when I come to this particular stage, nobody should ask for luck. Everybody should work hard and make their living. That is the most satisfying time in everybody's life, is what I see. So immediately after this, I'm going to give the check to Uday, and then the next check will come to the second investor whom we are paying today. As I told you, this is Mr. Venkatachari, a retired headmaster. We are paying him 6.75 lakhs minus TDS. To Uday also we are paying the same thing, 36 lakhs minus the TDS. So all these things, here is Harish, what you will be seeing very shortly on the screen, and he's already received 11 lakhs today, again 5.9 lakh what we are talking about. So without wasting much of the time, I request each of the customers who are waiting here, and in front of, in your presence, I am going to present this check. They are welcome. Please come inside. Yeah, there. Anything, please. Please come. See, you're seeing the most lucky man's face on the YouTube live streaming over here. Great, thank you. There, what has happened, you like it. So this is where we are paying this loyalty payout. So I take this opportunity to present this check, Mr. Uday. It gives me immense pleasure to associate with one of the best projects in the country. And Jaypal sir is the CEO of our Epitome Projects LLP. He's doing a very big venture on the Vijayawada National Highway. It's my privilege, God's grace, I think, that he has graced his occasion, taken his time, and come here. So, with his permission, in fact, I will take the opportunity and give the check along with Jaypal Garu to Uday Garu here. Thanks for coming, sir. It's a privilege. So what you're seeing on your screen is right now the uh, an event which has been planned for so long, dreamt for so long, and the most happiest customer, Mr. Uday, who has received a check of 36 lakh rupees as a loyalty cashback. As I told you earlier, loyalty is something what we want to give back to our customers who have helped us in our growth. The growth of Synergy is with customers. And again, when we are growing, we give back a little bit of our loyalty. 25% of our profits all over India, we are going to share it with the customers. And there is a numbered program for this. In the sense, there are some numbers which have been thought about this particular program and achieving this many numbers, this many customers can be benefited out of it. Is what we have laid out a complete plan and absolutely risk free. Like we're talking about, you buy a property wherever, like you're buying it from outside, also, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to the site, see the property, and then buy it. Here you have better advantages, in fact. And this is what you're seeing on the screen is the team, the happy team, the team which has taken is taking the pictures when we are presenting the check to Mr. Uday Baletla, and there are two others customers also waiting. But so there's a check, and here comes the signature. So, Harish Kumar, receiving the 100% of the investment cashback. You can see his details on the website also. Big smile picture. And here comes the biggest smile for Harish Kumar. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's okay. Thanks so much. And here's a check, and here comes the signature. Sir, you are validating. Full check from us, sir. I'll run the next part of the program, the loyalty offers, what we are going to give now. This is the first video what we have shown to you, and after that we have stopped for some time. And right now on this 26th, uh, the big day, big Monday of 26th of April 2021, we are launching three new offers. One is 100% investment cashback, which is released again. I didn't want to give this offer, but a lot of customers initially who came to us and they said, नो ऐसा बनता तो नहीं दिख रहा है सो हम लोग नई इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करेंगे आई यूज टू ऑलवेज आस्क देम व्हाट इज योर लॉस इन इट आप प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे बाहर बाहर जाके किसी कंपनी से करेंगे या सिनर्जी से करेंगे प्रॉपर्टी तो खरीदना है कैसे भी आपको और वो प्रॉपर्टी आपके नाम पे रजिस्ट्रेशन भी हो जाएगा आप सिर्फ प्लॉट खरीद रहे हैं बाकी का हम लोग जो हमारा वट एवर वी हैव द एक्सपेंशन प्रोग्राम हम प्रॉफिट्स में से निकाल के आपको एक हिस्सा दे रहे हैं इट इज ए ग्रेटिट्यूड व्हाट वी आर गिविंग till I remember in my childhood because one of my good friends is here from my childhood from the colony there used to be a good cricketer he taught me how to bowl and today in the afternoon I remembered it in fact so it's a gratitude of learning something from somebody so it's a gratitude of when it comes to business when it comes to money when it comes to investment it comes to be a very big thing in fact and these offers are as I told you absolutely risk free so we are releasing 100 more investor cashback 100% cashback offers and this cashback is not just limited to 25 lakhs it is going to be 50 lakhs per customer for every customer who is selected out of the lucky dip so what we are going to do this time is for the first we are going to give up to 100 customers for the first 10 customers who get out of lucky dip they are going to get in 3 years for the next 40 customers, they are going to get in 4 years. And the next 50 customers, overall 100, they are going to get their 50 lakhs as cashback in 3, 4, or 5 year period. Now, here it is not going to be for everybody. Only one out of every five investors. Now, let's say you have chosen a 100% investment cashback and you participated in the lucky dip. You did not get the lucky dip. The person, but is one person out of five investors is going to get the lucky dip gift of 100% cashback of 50 lakhs. The remaining four people are not going to lose. They are also going to get something very, very attractive. And the loyalty number offer number two is a free two-bedroom independent house project. Now here what we are doing is for many people, as I told you, it was thing for me also. I've taken a plot way back in 96, 97, but constructing a building on it or constructing home on it, it took some time because at the time loans were not there. At the time we didn't have money so much that we come and build it. So पहले plot खरीद लिए, we bought a plot. Then after that we pooled the money. We worked hard. We worked hard so much that 1.5 year I made that money and I built a independent house way back in 97 we are talking about. So here we wanted to be helpful because you are coming to Synergy, everybody should be benefited initially. See, around 1,000 customers, if they buy properties from us, we can go and start 19 cities. That is my calculation. So when 1,000 customers buy plots, all these 1,000 customers should be benefited. Some of them in a very high manner and some of them may be a little small. So first offer 100% cashback, second offer free 2-bedroom independent house, and third offer is again mind blowing, wherein we are going to give free Simple Villa. There is a difference between independent house and a villa. Independent house is just the four corners. So your carpet area is going to be your built-up area also. But here what happens is, here you're going to have a portico, maybe the car parking area. It may be only one floor. Previously we have given offer of duple villa offer. Today we are giving an offer of for 100 new investors. So three offers, 300 people. Out of thus, all these 300 people are going to get in 3, 4, 5 years. From where? From 19 cities where we are going to launch. Every time Synergy is making a sale, we are going to give 25,000 rupees into this customer's account. So this is one of the new ideas, forever branding, what we call it as. But hurry friends, there's only with 1 out of every 5 investors will be chosen on lucky dip basis for all these 3 programs. What about the remaining 4 you don't get lucky dip? Not to worry, as there is something which is more attractive, or rather, if you wouldn't have thought about the free villa or free independent house also, if I was giving you this offer for all the customers, you would have been happy. We have something called 10-year gold loyalty offer. For the next 10 years, we are going to give you gold coin every year. So first 3 years, we are going to give 5-gram gold coins. Second 3 years, we are going to give 7-gram gold coins. Last 4 years, we are going to give 10 grams. There is no upper cap. Today, the gold rate is raising. Maybe at the end of 10th year, it might be 2 lakh for 10 grams. We are going to give you the 2 lakhs every year. This is given from our profits. And you are not paying anything out of it. There is no risk, absolutely what I'm talking about. And you can assess it yourself. What kind of risk-free propositions is what we are offering to you. Not just that. Now this offer is roughly all these offers put together. We need 1,008 open plot investors. Now all these 1,000 open plot investors, they're getting something or the other. Either 100% cashback or a 2-bedroom house, or we are talking about the free independent 2-bedroom independent house or a free Simple Villa also. Now out of all the 1,008, we are going to take one lucky dip. It is apart from people who got the main lucky dips. Person who got 100% cashback cannot participate in this lucky dip. Person who got free villa cannot participate in this lucky dip. Person who got maybe 2-bedroom cannot participate in this. Remaining all 1,008 who are in the gold offer, they can participate in the lucky dip where you will be getting 1 crore worth of flat as a lucky dip gift. Now this is all 1,008, and the time frame what I am looking at with the kind of team which is building over here, about 5 to 6 months. About 5 to 6 months we should be able to complete this 1,008 sales in Hyderabad and Vizag. Very shortly we are going to start in Bhubaneswar also. So maybe some of the Bhubaneswar clients will be lucky to buy their properties at their own place. So apart from this, we may start Shirdi, Tirupati, Nellore also. So we'll be updating you from time to time. Now this is about Lucky Dip program, about 1,008 clients. All the 1,008 clients, this is the organic vegetable program. हर हफ्ता आपके घर को organic vegetables about 15 varieties will be supplied. This is sufficient for a family of 2+2. 2 adult, 2 बच्चे. अगर है this particular basket, we call it as a medium basket. That medium basket will be sufficient. Most of my employees, all the customers who are eligible for this, even at my home, I am having this organic vegetables and they are pretty healthy. As I told you very soon, the remaining 10,000, 9,000 customers who are going to come between July is when we are going to launch our 20 branches, Hyderabad city, Vizag city, and by year end about 19 cities. Every city we are going to give free organic vegetables or subsidized rate organic vegetables for 10,000 clients. Now this is a value addition apart from 360-degree property contract and the Lucky Dip programs what we have done today. I didn't want to extend, as I told you again, there are few customers who got back to us and said, we are very sorry, sir, we want to make good of this offer. But when I said the offer is over, this offer was almost over in the month of January. Then later on, we thought, at least, let's say if the customer feels there is a good thing in buying property through Synergy, he'll buy any which way, he'll get organic vegetables. Plus, there stands a chance of getting gold for everybody, of course, and either 100% cashback, or two-bedroom house, or a simpler villa. Now, these are the offers what will be running now. And all those people who have invited you for this live streaming, get in touch with them fast. Ask them what the ventures are. Talk to your channel partners right away. Take up your mobile phone. Call them who has invited you. If you are interested, ask them. I want to buy a property here. I want to be a part of the Synergy family. We want to be a part of the Synergy family. Thank you, friends. Thanks for all your time. And in case you have little doubts, you can post the queries or immediately talk to the person who has invited you to this program. Get started. Okay, friends, here comes the time to say thanks to each and everyone who have supported me so far and supported in making this event a huge success. My team of channel partners, referral partners, my ex-employees, some of them who are not there with us today, working elsewhere, sorry, and yeah. Without all of your efforts, uh, by each and every individual, you know whom I'm talking about. And I thank you once again. Take this opportunity. If Synergy has come to this level, it's a contribution of all of you, the agents who we call as referral partners, the developers who have supported us. I take this opportunity to support Mr. Hari of Green Homes and Mr. B.S. Reddy Garu of Meenakshi, Ravi Pinamaneni Garu of Meenakshi, and Cardiff Estates, our initial Madhav Reddy Garu and Manohar Garu, who recently expired due to Corona. But all those people, they have laid a big foundation for Synergy. A person who used to operate out of a wall made plank, a plank which was put onto the plank, a wall had traveled so far at this point in time where he's able to give a share out of his profits to his customers. I thank God for giving me this idea primarily and the courage. Even though there are many ups and downs, what we have seen, we never lost courage. Courage is the one thing which I have put into me, myself, my teams, and the big launchpad is here. 2021 will be the year of Synergy. And I promise each and every of the investors who are watching this program, it is an absolutely risk-free program, so don't have any inhibitions, don't have any doubts. You can just go select your property. That's all. You can go umpteen number of properties, risk-free, 360-degree loyalty programs. What we are giving. All you have to do is select a property, invest through Synergy, and get into the lucky people list, or I'll call the Synergy family list, where you can get something very big, or at least you can get the free organic vegetable supply to your doorstep on a weekly basis plus gold also. So I wish you all the best. I look forward for all your support in the days to come in Hyderabad, in Vizag, in Pune, in Nalgonda, Suryapet, where we have our majority of the customers, in Vijayawada, Nellore, Middle East, Jeddah, and my dear friend Abhi and Anand, who are initial customers in Jeddah, in Dubai, UK, US. We have in New Jersey, we have in Seattle, uh, and many other places. I know all of them uh, would be locked down to this particular live streaming. So name every name. If I miss some names, please forgive me. But yeah, everyone who helped me reach this particular position, I thank each and every one of you. I take your leave. We'll join you back with more and more good projects from Thursday again. 2 days of leave, but always we are at service 25 by 7. Thank you, friends. Have a safe and do not take any risks. Have a safe Corona period, the excess of Corona period, what is there. Good night and see you soon. Thank you.